Hey guys, it's your Mooregirl and welcome back to my channel. Well, today guys, I have a video for you. I am doing my tea station. Yes, I am doing a tea station. I have never ever done just a tea station before. Not only if I'm doing a tea station, I am taking you shopping with me to get tea. Today's video is sponsored by a company named Creamery, and it's a nice family business, and I love dealing with family business because they take pride in their products. So when they sent me this item, I have to show you in a minute. I'm like, I appreciate it. I really appreciate it, especially us YouTubers that can help with the business. I'm loving this. So of course, it's a product I want to show you. So I'm not only going to just unbox it. Oh, no. We're not going to unbox today. I'm going to show you the product, but I'm taking you shopping with me, and I'm showing you how to do my tea station. So look how beautiful this product is. Absolutely beautiful. And it's magnetic. It has a little stand in the back. I'm really loving this. This is going to go perfect with my tea station. So instead of doing spices, because it's a 6-piece spice rack, and this is stainless steel, guys. Hear that? Stainless steel, and it's magnetic. All in it has a magnet on the back of it, and it just snaps right into place, and you can lean it just on your table. So what I'm going to do is incorporate this in my tea station instead of doing spices, because I do have spice racks. So I'm going to put all my specialty teas in here, and later on I will come back and label them. You can label them here or here, and these are large. Look at them. They're large here. You have your holes here where you have your spices come out, and along with a large opening as well. So I know my teas are going to be kind of chunky, so I know they're not going to fit through this, but also you could do this when you do herbs, like different spices and herbs. Like I would use this definitely, probably order some more later. So when I do my rubs, like chicken, use this for rubs, really nice and thick, but my herbs have large pieces in it, so I would just of course take it off and pieces in it. But look at this is, I like how it sees through, nice and crystal clear and nice and clean and shiny. Puts together, and all you have to do is pop it back on there. And also went on my refrigerator too, anything, because it is stainless steel. Guys, I'm gonna take you shopping with me so I can get teas for my spice jars. All right guys, it's your Mooregirl, and let's get shopping. Okay guys, so I'm here at the spice store. This is called Sheffield Spice and Tea Company. It's a really little quick a tea shop. So I get my spices here. So I figured with the jars that I got from Creamery, what I'm gonna do is do like a tea station instead of a coffee station. And I want to try to get like the English teas, the chamomile tea, some mint teas, and he did some slushies with tea. So hopefully he'll let me film inside his tea shop. As you can see guys, look how wonderful this shop is. It has so many spices in here, so you definitely need a spice jar. Okay, now this side has the spices over here. The middle is the dips. On the right side, as you can see, are the specialty teas. Now the spice jars I'll be using from Creamery will be for the teas. Oh my goodness, I'm just make sure they come and see this. As you can see, they do have jars for their teas, but I like the plastic bags. I like to get the bags individually because I like to have my own jars. And because I'm doing the tea station, I'll be using the jars for the tea. So it comes in white, it comes in green.
We have white, we have green, we have 2 in peach and herbal.
Okay, now she's discussing the different teas that they have. They have so many flavors, so I can't wait to try them. So I'm going to finally make my selection. Okay guys, so I selected all my spices and my teas, so I can't wait to get back to put them in my jar and to set up my tea station. All right guys, let's go back to the house. Okay guys, so I have all this behind me. Look at this beautiful spices. Wonderful. It's beautiful. It smells so good. I have been coming here for years. I normally come twice a year. I usually spend close to $100 today. My bill was only $44 because I still have some stuff left over. So the teas is on this side, and then you have your spices on this side, and then you have your dips, guys, right here. So what I do is, instead of using it as a dip, I use it to spice like season my chickens and seafoods and stuff like that. So I can't wait to try some of the new stuff that she has here. Again, this is Sheffield Spice and Tea Company, guys. All right, we're going to go back and do that tea station in 6 more months. All right, guys. All right, guys, it's Mooregirl. I will see you back at the house. Look at this. Look. All right, guys. Of course, the first thing I'm doing is going to place all of my teas. And like, I'm going to come back and probably label them as well. And I'm using a peach Bellini. And you could tell the size of this. This is a nice size bag. So this is 2 ounces. So let's see if the 2 ounces will fit.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things.
Thanks again, guys, for watching this video, and thank you again to my sponsors, Quinry, for giving me this spice jar. I really needed it for my tea. So now I have a little tea station. It's very simple, nothing that's over the top. At least I have something now for my teas rather than sticking them in the bags. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and again, thanks for watching. Don't forget, it's always a discount code with 5% off. Okay, it's very inexpensive, and go check out this family-owned business. Alright guys, it's your Mooregirl, and I will see you at the next video. Alright guys, bye. It's Mooregirl.